1998 Honda Accord. That's why I was recommending replacing the flywheel anyway. You see how bad those stress cracks were? Like what'll happen is the cracks will only expand, and then like under hard deceleration it will break. So. He about won that thing now. Drive this seal in. Ta-da. So up close look at these cracks. But yeah, like you see the stress crack here. Alright, what'll happen is it would only get worse, and you can see how it's starting to change color and stuff. You know, like going into the metal. I said they will come apart, and then you compare it to the new flywheel here. New flywheel, you know, the very smooth surface. You know, like I said, these things will come apart, so you don't play around with them. Alright, flywheel's on. Now it's time to get the clutch together. Alright, make sure you got a new throwout bearing on that. So I want to tear into that real quick. Alright, so we want to put this on the hub side end, and then this is the flywheel side here. So, and then we're gonna put the little dowel pins on, so just like that. Make sure you put this on the flywheel side here, and then have your alignment tool. Boom, set up on it just like that. Alright, okay, drop this. Yep. Do some movie magic on that. I guess one whole clutch job later, after everything's been put in and bolted back up and all that stuff. I'm sure you didn't want me to bore y'all with the semantics on how I struggled a little while to put the transmission up and everything, and get the mounts and everything bolted in and all that stuff, but she good, I think. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up here. Alright, first gear. Second, third, fourth, fifth. This thing got a long fifth gear. Look at fifth gear. Hey.